And their hearts, minds, and futures resting on this year's ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships following its cancellation last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As the 5-day championships loom, head coach of St. Jago High School's girls team, Kilanda Goburn, highlights the importance of champs going ahead.
There are some athletes that still have their fingers and their toes crossed, especially the final year athletes. They have been uncomfortable from day one. One athlete said to me a few days ago that, she literally having nightmares. She's unable to sleep in the night because, her entire future is depending on this championship. She wants to put on a show. She wants to impress her recruiters, so therefore she needs the opportunity to do that. Her parents, her entire family, they cannot afford for her to go to university, so they're waiting on this opportunity.
But even with the championships less than 2 days away, Goburn is keeping his fingers crossed that there will be no problems before Tuesday's start.
First objective for these championships is to get to these championships. That's first and foremost for us to get there and start competing. And as I said before, right now it's opportunity over outcome. If every single athlete that qualified for championship or is ranked in the top tier, if they all get a chance to compete, then I'm fine with that. So that means they would have been rewarded for their hard work and sacrifice, unlike last year.
St. Jago last won the girls' champs title in 1999 and ended 4th in 2019.